In today's video, I'm going to show you two things. First, how to find the trending topics. Second, how to make your YouTube video from these trending topics, how to write the scripts. So let's start. First thing, to find the trending topics, right here, Google Trends. Select the Google Trends. Here you have three tabs: Home, Explore and Trending. First we will see Explore. Here you will see three options. First I selected the region, then I will select the time period. You can filter the period as per your needs. Here are the top queries by the categories, and here are the actual rising searches. Now let me take you to the other thing, which is Trending Now. Here the Trending Now tab is more interesting than the Explore. So here again I have already selected the United States. Period will be 24 hours, and from the all categories I will choose my category. You can choose as per channel category. I will choose technology. Rest I will keep as it is. Select the row per page to 50 and it will show us the latest thing. So now here if you click on Notepad++, so on the right side you will see in the news, you will see the websites that posted the news related to your trending topic. I will open all these three news websites. So here now the three windows are open. You can go one by one on each and select which is more interesting. So this news is regarding Notepad++ official update mechanism hijacked to deliver malware to select users. Now the main part is how to create the script for this topic. The process is very simple. Just select the text from this block, copy it, open the Copilot and write the following prompt: generate YouTube video script from the following. Enter and paste the content which you have just copied from the website. Enter, and here you go. You will get the title, and here is the script starting from intro. Now the next part is how you can make the videos. You have two things. If you have the paid subscription of any software which converts text to video, you can also use it, or you can just simply open the Filmora, new project, and from here just click on it and start recording. Here it will record all your voice. Now for the graphics, what you can do, you can go back to the browser, search these topics. Here copy this, go to Google again, and from the images, first gather all these images, graphics into your computer, then import on the audio which you just recorded, and you can just simply create the video. So that's it for today's. We saw how to find the trending topics, and then I show you how to write the script and generate the video. That's it for today's. I will see you in the next one.